Dear viewers, welcome to our Fashion Studios channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of modular drawers for storage design ideas. This drawer comes with extra large drawers ideal to store kids' toys, clothes, books, and other similar stuffs in an organized manner. The material of this drawer comprises high-quality plastic in attractive colors. The drawer is made of top-grade heavyweight non-toxic plastic that resists scratches and chips with a smooth and glossy finish that never fades. It's designed to store all your essentials in a safe, secure manner. The drawer can be cleaned easily, quickly with the heavyweight plastic. The drawers are designed that is extremely easy to assemble. It serves multiple home needs in an effortless way. The drawer with top cover will keep your stuff away from dust. This drawer is designed for space saving. This modular mobile chest is perfect to store important documents, planners or art and craft supplies. You can easily move this storage chest and place it anywhere in your home or office. Design your dream storage space by stacking and combining additional cubes and accessories from simply tidy to customize a layout for your room or office. Different types of modular drawers for storage designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.